in this video, I'm going to show you how to use our Express Uploader. You would use the Express Uploader when there is not an active task on the portal for you to upload documentation to. So just say you received some annual Macquarie statements early on in the year and there was no annual request task for you to upload those statements to. What you could do is use the Express Uploader function, which is this button, this little cloud button in the top right hand corner of your screen. If you click on that, you can see that you can select which fund you want to upload the documentation for, and then you can click on this little paperclip icon, and that will take you to your browser so that you can upload documentation. Select what you want to upload and then click open, and the files will show up in here, and then you'll be able to express upload them. Thanks.